Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your text pop? I'll show you how to create awesome 3D effects in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select Custom Size and enter 300 by 300 pixels. Confirm your selection to open the workspace. Now, locate and click the Upload button. Choose your text file from your computer to add it to the project. In this example, you'll see that we already have a text image displayed here on the screen. This will serve as the starting point for our demonstration, allowing us to move forward and apply the next set of steps. Go to the Apps menu and enter Image Transform, or Transform Image, in the search bar. Select the Image Transform tool from the results list. Click to open it, and prepare to use this tool for your image editing tasks in the following steps. To add an image to the platform, start by selecting the image file you want to use, such as a photo or graphic. Locate the file on your computer and click to upload it. For example, you can upload an image of honey by choosing the honey picture file from your documents. Once selected, the platform will process and display the image alongside your other files, ready for further use. You can change the perspective of this image by clicking on it to select it, then simply dragging the corners to adjust and achieve the desired perspective effect. Add this element to your design by clicking it. Once it appears on your canvas, you can easily duplicate it by selecting the element and clicking the duplicate button to create additional copies as needed. Press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate the text. Next, reposition the duplicated text so it aligns closely with the original, matching the placement as shown here. Move the object to the right using your keyboard's arrow keys. Next, press Ctrl+T to activate the Transform tool and adjust your selection as needed. Click the Apply button after making changes with your keyboard. This saves your updates and applies the new settings instantly for you. Your text will now appear in 3D. All the related elements and options for customizing the 3D effect will display here. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This will turn your selection into a single entity. Next, zoom in to get a closer look at the combined object on the screen. You now see a 3D topography view. Click the Share button to download your file. If you need a larger image, increase the size before downloading for better quality. Select your desired quality, then click the Download button below. Now you know how to create awesome 3D text effects in Canva Typography. Hit like and subscribe for more design tips.